This is a bad governor. I'm going to show you how the bearings are assembled. So just bear with me here. Okay. So that side faces out. This is the more solid looking surface. Then you have a washer. Okay, then you have a collar. So that's more or less what it looks like. Over here, this is a bad bearing. Got that pin. You have this guide, and down there is a rubber O-ring, which you probably can't see. See the O-ring? And then these ball bearings go in there. There's your picture. See? O-ring, one ball bearing in each slot. Okay, so that's the result so far. Then you place on a washer. See the surface? We're going to face it the same way as that one. So the bearing surface here, most waffled surface is here. And we put on the collar. Okay, and that's the result. If you look at yours, it should look like that. Alright, then we put on the spring, and we put on the gear, obviously with that end out, so we can put the pin in. Okay? So here's some instructions.